TV for kids.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy elephant family with a big long trunk and stomp, stomp, stomp. Let's all shout aloud. Pow! Woo! Swing your arm like a trunk and stomp your feet.
Mommy loves me, Daddy too. Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. We splash in water, we play all day. Spray, 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 hooray, hooray.
Pretend to spray water with your trunk.
We walk together, big and small. March in a line, one and all. Through the trees and by the grass, we have fun and laugh and laugh.
March in a line like elephants.
I love you, you love me. We're the best elephant family. With big hugs and a happy cheer. Let's all say pow woo right here.
Give yourself a big hug, then trumpet with your hands like a trunk.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.